What is Amism value stocking's theory? Value gives meaning to human life. Nothing in this world is untouched by value. Ethics is definitely bundle of values that feels to be right for majority humans. In this theory, material values, human thought values, monetary values, reality values are given proper importance. Whether time, actions, coding the material world, process of transformations, balances etc. These values become much important. The quantity and qualities of values determine the height of humans. That's why people are always trying for value additions. If you try to observe people with riches and honor, they have clear-cut patterns of thoughts for value additions. These value-adding thoughts of structures transforms their surroundings. Stockings are actually keeping safe those goods and services with value, for value additions. Fear and values are very much related. Humans show greater affinities to value because of fear. Value, fear, stockings made humans progress to much higher extent. That enabled humans to think more. But this at a later time diminished the importance of primary productive sectors. That later resulted in the growth of value-adding industrial, business, information technology, telecommunications sectors. Amism stockings theory say that humans must stock proper ultimate values in processing everything all around Earth. And avoid everything that feels valueless. If anything humans finds valueless, they must process it to make it valuable and sensible. I'm not saying about hoarding goods and services using money power. That's completely against social norms. Hindering the life of other hierarchies, using wicked intelligences, is threat to collective human growth. Everybody must be part of collective social upliftments and everyone must be safe because of the structural arrangements of stocking values of nations. Actually many people who are hoarding commodities, actually governments dispromote it but majority private capitalists who gets complaint of value stockings are doing services to humans. They must not be blamed for how they influence the entire value of nations. This theory specifically says find value additions in everything through consistent empiricism, combinations and association, keeping good virtues of life. Finally humans will become perfect in the ultimate sense.